akukhanye konke kwami akuhlangane ngizame ongela amaplane kimi kubuhlungu sengingedwa kumnyama akukhanye konke kwami akuhlangane ngizame ongela amaplane kimi kumnyama sengingedwa kumnyama akukhanye konke kwami akuhlangane ngizame ongela.
So we're back again at Mpumalanga A2 Music Podcast, and as you can see, we are about to dine Konalana. It feeds the crave. This is our platter lakaya, our most ultimate dish. I hope it fits the craving because I am hungry. I'm really hungry. We are all hungry.
Yes.
So as we eat, we're gonna be indulging in more questions because we have our social media questions. People have actually been asking us from our from our conversations. I don't know, can we dig in? Because I want to see first ngitosho ukuthi kahle lokudla lokhu ku-taste kanjani. Angifuni ukudlala. So I thought we were going to have a knife.
Yeah, we break it down.
Wow. Why am I showing off? This doesn't require showing off. Okay. Let's check it out. So, Bati, cuisine Agibia. Hey. Okay. I see, brother. Uti, how can we inspire young people to see farming as power, not just labor?
But
usilo lokalo unga inspiration njani bani labasha ukuthi bangaboni ukutshala njengomsebenzi lo ngathi unzima but nje ngemvo lekahle yabo ukuthi it's just normal, not as ukuthi umsebenzi vele.
I answer for like before a child.
No, just be loud from far.
Like firstly, from wakombe ma benefits. Child, ukuthi inzuzo kahle kahle ngoba inspire.
Oh, so kahle
No.
show them by actually showing our kids good through farming we are very wealthy, so they can get inspired by showing good when you farm there's more just by farming. It's not just cause for food or something but for a lot of things.
okay.
So thank you so much. That's actually Butsabelo behind the camera.
Yes.
He's an artist, he's a painter, he expresses his feelings, he talks through art. Please check out his art. I don't know if he's created any social media platforms yet, but his work is actually phenomenal. So we're gonna go to our second question. The food is so nice.
Are you still gonna talk?
Oh,
to me?
nice. No, Maxwell, this is actually for everyone, Youngton. But do you believe owning land is the same as owning freedom? It's almost what we were talking about right now. Guthi kahle ungaba nemhlaba kuyafana ngokuthi wena so free. Youngton, you can do anything.
You have your own space.
Once you own you have your own space. Okay. Spider-Man, rescue me! Spider-Man, rescue me, Sam.
Okay.
You're trying to chop my head.
Why do I always change the mood when I'm around?
Because you're unknown, bro.
They see me now. You don't know me? They know. But
Wow. Sophie asked, Guti, do you believe we all carry a little magic in us? Ngiyathemba ukuthi wonke umuntu khona info lethithelanayo like info yemoya or buthakathi angisho bokhuluma ngebuthakathi khona uthi uyathamba ukuthi wonke umuntu khona unabo ubuthakathi bokuthini
mina ngiyabhiliva ntwana yami
ukuthi wonke umuntu khona unobuthakathi ba
kahle ubuthakathi nebusemndenini
okay
kodwa ngisho njalo
right
like wonke umndeni especially njengoba sela singifone namsisabza ne lethi bongo teacher fani nokuphahla kwethu fani emakhaya ukuthi ekhaya baphahla njani nebuthakathi bethu wonke lo mndeni noma ngathi usindisiwe
ngicela uchazele lo muntu lokuthi yini maphahla ukuphahla ngoba uthola ukuthi akakwazi ngokwathi ukuphahla phela kunebantu abangakwazi yini ukuphahla so lona ngisofi akasiwa la so ngicela uchaze yini ukuphahla vem
ukuphahla sabza yangishaya
khulumana nabalele
Kuphatha
Oh, yes.
kuphatha kufana nokuthandaza kahle kahle.
ehe
Ngani mara sekucanga ukuthi ngigode
uthandaza bakini
nema ancestors ngiyawathandaza labakini ngiyakufanele.
but abakini babaluleke kakhulu babaluleke kakhulu because bantu abaningi lesikhathi esiphila kuso ngiyaluva bathi bantu abalele basana
mara wathi lo muntu lomphahlako lo lolele bengasi umuntu lokahle na you fail na you failile
ngibonise njengemntwana wakho even
na you failile
ngiyavuma no give out
na you fika la damshaya
no ntwana yathi sifana nayo
yangithola uthola ukuthi wena lo muntu ubulele abantu angisho if you ever heard about these things about generational curses and stuff what are those things? You understand? So what if when ubizuhamba lapha you calling upon something, because isn't it your ancestor, one person who has walked that your bloodstream comes from, Angish, but that bloodstream doesn't mean Guti they've all been doing well as much as namuhla namkhona maybe lokugabling ngendini. So why would I
guys asibe senjengoba okay emndenini ne ngibaba sikhe mina ne even noma wangiphetha kangakanani noma ngingathanga kangakanani but still ngibani ngibaba sikhe uthini kimi ulithema lami so even bese ngiyashona bona noba sikhe kimi boba bathi ukuthi besinamkhulu washona yini noma ngabe ngiphetha kangakanani mara kusela yini ngimkhulu
but they don't need to raise your spirit up they do. I think it's just gratitude. I think we I hope the audience like us would engage more and tell us, do we do it to to rise the spirit up, or do we do it like gratitude? We know where we come from and we thank you for the steps of life that now we're here. So I want to know, Master Spata, are we awakening a spirit? Like summoning, young this which is vusamol, which is magavuge, ematuneni, or siyabonga tinyathelo takho la ukuthi size sifike la I don't know
masiphatha ne asiphatheli bantu basemathuneni siphathele imimoya yabo imimoya everywhere fana nokonza ne mina ngime kancane ngokuya esontweni angisho ukuthi babukele emakhaya bangayi emasondweni ngime kancane ngokuya esontweni because endlini ngeBhayibheli efuna nami ngeBhayibheli bathi uNkulunkulu everywhere yabo yes so labantu abalele bangimoya nabo bathola everywhere la ukhona khona naNkulunkulu isilive lenkosi la sibabili khona nobo usithathu nabo basebenza njalo basuka bakhona bade
then why don't you call upon that main thing that created them, those ones that we want, because I think they take orders from the main source, which is God.
Kuyafana nemuntu angithi iBhayibheli lithi umuntu kumfanelisa uNkulunkulu nabo
bamfanelisa uNkulunkulu mara sibabeka phambili kwaNkulunkulu
asibabeki phambili bangithi labantu labo because batala thini batala thini labantu labo so ungabukho kanjani abantu batala wena
abathi we totally
no ake ngibize nje something ngasho nalo old age mina yebo uzintwana eningiyamkhumbula yangithola
but most of us no me your bloodline it comes from far utalwa ngilona
utalwa ngiphendula eziyakhona
utalwa wakandlovu utalwa wakandimandi utalwa wakamlawuzi utalwa wena usafuna
lapho sima ngemndeni wakho
utaba khona bonke
lo uvelele khona
so kahle baseyovusa abantu
yeah but lenguyo nyalo
banyamanga masabatothi uvusa
yaphila ngababhilivela
lenguyo nyalo ngileke kumana lapha
ngalo ukuthi
because ngale magama
it's all about if you believe in them
ngobe laba labanye sibathi ngicubeka baba
nayi Mustang
yebo baba
check that Mustang out siyabonga shem kusidecorate ikasi ngala si-eater fresh.
It's in the question.
All right, I'm so ahead of the food.
Sabza.
Who made this?
Corner.
This is from Feeds the Crave.
Yes.
Feed the Crave. I think is it written behind us? No, it's not.
Feed the crave.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, Feeds the Crave. It feeds the crave. Patsy, hey. Guys, thank you so much for asking us important questions. Actually, thank you so much. But what's the most powerful form of magic you've seen in real life? What's the most powerful form of magic you've seen in real life? Like yini leke wayibona ukuthi la mathakatho lawa.
Mfana ngithi
Yini into legenda ukuthi
uphuma kancane lehloko lezo ne. Lungekubona sipoko. Sabza uyani? Sabza phela ngasesigodini. Sabza ngavumela nami. Sabza ngavumela nami.
Abantu aduthi ngibaphi labo ukuthi bahamba la laba mstep wakhona ngokuphefumula ngawulanza culture abantu abamnyama namabelungu bawulanza.
So you have to ulanza njani umphefumulo? Ulanza njani?
Ulanza ngihlahla.
Ngila bona buthakathi. Into la kwa bona ukuthi le buthakathi live.
Njengoba eshido ukuthi siphuma kancane siphuma ngesibone. Sipoko siyaphila ntwana. Nesayishaya imbama sipoko.
Guys.
Sabza skate.
Like for real.
Yeah, sikhona sipoko manje.
Uyaphila la ile.
Angazi ngahlangana la.
Ebe ngitshela ukuthi ibangwa yini.
Bangwa yini? Ndokuthi
Sabza awusichaze ukuthi bangayini bithi yami.
Mina ngikhumbula lesikhathi sibukela Sibaya and there was that Zungu which was Zungu uvuse Mkhovu and the same thing with Frankenstein. So guess is voodoo raising the dead?
okay.
Like is that when Dr. Spoko kanti is Mkhovu?
Nesipoko state brand. Uya Mkhovu ne. Mkhovu yabamba so is umuntu
Physically. Yothi mbaba.
Sipoko wasibamba.
And it doesn't disappear, ne?
Mkhovu will disappear.
Oh, okay. Siyabonga.
Angeke.
Okay.
Bana tona uyangizonda.
Why from now?
Wewe ngathi babukele emakhaya ukuthi sometimes na Mr. Bibo.
Asibache
Why?
because babukela Mr. Bibo vele. How can you ubatshela njani babukela Bibo vele?
Wrong.
It's like your whole universe.
Yeah, but bangathi.
How would you tell them if your whole universe is tokuqala kuphi nje namuhla?
No, just morning too.
I'm the world, I'm the creator.
Fana njengepasco. No, that's mad.
Awufani nebasco shem. Ibasco specialize ngento leyi-one when too much all over stokuqala kuphi namhlanje?
So mina
When uyakwati wena.
Everywhere they eat bread.
For next time on the other show, we'll talk more about Mr. Bibo.
The creator.
Okay. You create yini umphathi? Maybe licade phela.
Mendi. Yabona ukuthi
Wena abantu.
eish.
Yibakhanda.
Like a god.
NguStefane kahle kahle oseBhayibhelini ukhanda abantu.
Stefan uyakhanda abantu.
Yo, ngiyangibone kwado.
You know what?
No.
Stefane eBhayibhelini bekhanda abantu.
Bekakhanda abantu ukuthi uyenda Mkhovu.
No, abakhanda nje athi nje canvas.
Canvas, what's that?
This food is so nice, guys. I'm so sorry. Like I'm just like and it's like oh my god, and it's nice, it's warm, it's hot, it's fresh, it's soft, it's tender. It's juicy, so I can't stop.
Keep out.
Thank you so much.
Wow. Angathi try just sing as nje. Ngikuthi nami ngibona bukhoma yabo. Isikhathi singimbona ngale.
Yo, talimbona ngale lama filter.
Yes, manje nakunayo ebukhoma yabo.
Original, bro.
But I mean, camera is not my thing.
Okay.
Chipa samshati bulala.
The combi na masimba, yeah? Thank you so much. With the whole ribs and hot wings. Wow. I'm not gonna stop now.
Asiyabonga Mpumalanga yethu.
Everything is gonna die.
Siyabonga bafowethu.
Sabang Sham Pumalanga to music podcast. We were never gonna taste. We can eat the other type of levels of kota, but this is the ultimate in the house. It has everything.
4 people are full.
Insanzala netla.
Aminenze mama ngisada. Ngitshela monke ngokubona uma kaphi njani. Asibaba nakudla ngiyambuka ngani.
Bidaga. Visit the crave.
And I didn't put musician. Sifuna ukuthi siyabonga because you know, a lot of people now get the chance to be seen through your movement, you know. Yeah, a lot of people are now not for them but for us, for our community to know what we are doing as the youth. And for other youths, the Lahle Makai, thinking that what they consider a talent, what they say is a talent, which is a talent, and they feel like, feeling as a minangi, kandema, letindo, letitu, tetinsimba, bandange, but you know, if you have that skill, uhlele kaya, never take granted. You are special. In fact, we need, different type of stuff after all, because we get inspired by different type of things. So we can't stay caved in with supreme talents within us. So this is beautiful. I'm in love with the whole thing. I'm in love with the fact that we get to talk to musicians that have a lot to say. It's very great.
Yeah, mbona ngijabule kakhulu. Yeah, njengoba usho ntwana ngumphathi Mpumalanga yethu show. Yo, izelendlela. Nale siyafuna siye kuyo inhle kakhulu. But ukhona nje ukuthi babule emakhaya sikhona Mpumalanga yethu music sifuna la tekatako ekabhokweni. Yeah, siyatholakala. Bathini ngambe nini nibekhuluma ngamakhala ekhikhini ne? Eish, nami sengiyaphetha. Ukhuluma ngefoni. Hey.
Bathi le phone ikhalela kuphi ekhikhini noma esikhwameni?
Yes.
Makhala esikhwameni.
Ikhala ekhikhini or
Ikhala kiki.
This guy has a tablet.
Yeah, a tablet.
And this guy's like, no, that's not a phone. The other guy's like, it's a phone, it rings, I receive it.
Spider-Man.
You guys should go check up on that episode.
Ito.
Very funny.
Yeah, siyatholakala kumakhala ekhikhini. Inombolo yethu 0825901577. Facebook siyatholakala Mpumalanga yethu show. Yeah,
Bring the greens.
Bese ma-presenter la khaya, but siyashoda masiphilelanga man.
Shoda bana.
Spider-Man.
No,
Spidey.
Spidey didn't come to
He's
the
gonna
rescue.
fight me with that mask. That's why I had to take it off very fast.
Asiyakhumbula mfana kithi. Usesibhedlela. Ngiyakhoja usho usesibhedlela.
Spider-Man.
Yeah, so 7.
Yeah.
That's where he belongs. He'll be back in a few days.
Yes. Amara usho sengabuya fast. Ngike ngalesela siphela umuntu inkinga engcono.
Mararapa. Now kula kulba kepa venge bakho.
The spider. No, mara soza mplan. Yawuthi. Yabo? Ngiphatha ngiketana.
Bathene nensilane.
Yeah. Kiba win manje. So.
Yeah, I'm finally full. I'm like, wow, I didn't think bengiyoba full. Bathe ngiyadla ngiva ukuthi lokhu kumnandi ukuthi buyela gogo. Ngithi ngithi ukuthi buyela. Ngithi I finally got to the point where I think my cravings have been fed. And yathi into lengimangelisa said I didn't know I had these cravings. Ngiva sengidlala kusi kahle athi bengiyi-crave.
Ntwana, my question
And we didn't expect it like that.
No, man, it was smart, man. That new thing is when those was hanging. Robert was plastic and mathematics. Mathematics, so
This guy is angry, man.
Now was 7 round, man.
Old school.
Yes, I was shy.
I can't wait for us to go to eat like at other places again.
But this one is our number one.
No, right now I won't be the one to rate. I'll let the people rate for me.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll let the people rate for me.
Still Google and even an elevator on Saturday. Google the post.
Okay, no problem. I have the perfect joint.
Even if
I have the perfect joint, and this joint is so beautiful.
Wow.
And Ikona Lagasi,
Surprising,
this person is doing things. It's beautiful. I pray that we get there at the right time, right day. You're gonna be blown away. I can't wait to get there with you. I can't wait.
What about behind the scenes, man? You.
Wena,
Yeah.
Pasquat.
Okay, right.
All right, guys, thank you so much for staying tuned in. Please don't forget to press that like button, subscribe and like. We are here as Mpumalanga AY2 Music Podcast, and we are out.
Hola.
Ngizame ongela amaplane kimi kubuhlungu sengingedwa kumnyama akukhanye konke kwami akuhlangane ngizame ongela amaplane kimi kumnyama sengingedwa